Welcome back again, YouTube. So it's Monday morning. This is the second week of December, and we are working on an 09 Toyota Corolla. It's here for quite a bit of problems, but what I wanted to show you was, this is the catalytic converter front pipe to manifold flange, and you can actually see how the gasket wore that away. There's not supposed to be those little ridges in this pipe here, and you can see that there's some carbon showing that it was leaking. But on top of that, if you look down at the catalyst brick, you can see red through there. The catalytic converter body is rotted out. And this is a very difficult scenario, because if you just look at this, you're just like, oh wow, the front pipe gasket's leaking, not knowing the condition of the flange, and this is very common to find that's worn out, and the gaskets don't seal very well at all. But if the shielding's still all around it and you don't see any soot around here, you would miss that leak. So how I really check these is I use a vacuum line, and I listen to the gasket, and then I listen to the gasket while it's on the car and running, and then I use a vacuum line, and I listen around the catalytic converter body. Unless there's a visible soot sign, then I know for sure that this front pipe assembly is past its serviceable limits, even though they don't have a check engine light. There's no fixing this. I mean, you could, if you were crafty like myself, and cut the flange off and weld a new flange on and put a little weld on the body, but that's a temporary fix, because this has already got a corrosion hole in the body. That just shows how decayed the metal is already. Am I done? Yeah, that's all I got to say. Happy holidays.